So guys, once you're on this screen, for the first step, you're going to click on Shift and F10 on your keyboard. And now the command prompts will come up. And then once you're on this, you're going to type in Diskpart. Click on Enter, wait for this to load. And then once it says for you Diskpart right here, you're going to type in list space disk. Click on Enter again. And then once you're on this, you're going to find the disk that you're having a problem with. For you, it's most likely going to be disk 0. You can tell which disk is which by the size. Now for me, I've only got one disk, which is disk 0. You may have more disks. So you're going to know which one's which by the size, and you can identify it by the disk, and then there's going to be a number right here. It's most likely going to be your SSD or your HDD, which is going to be disk 0. So for me, in my case, I'm going to type in select space disk space 0, because the number right here is 0 for me. And then click on Enter. And now we're going to type in convert space. Now we have two options right here, either convert GPT or convert MBR. If your computer is using UEFI boot mode, then you want to type in convert GPT. This is going to be for most of you guys. However, if you're using an older PC and it's using legacy BIOS mode, then you want to convert to MBR. So in my case, I'm going to type in convert GPT because my computer is using UEFI boot mode, which will be the case for most of you guys as well. So now you're going to click on Enter. And now we're going to type in create space partition space primary space size equals, and now you want to type in the amount of size that you want to create. So let's say, for example, I want to create a partition which is 20 GB. Now I'm going to type in 20,000. So just type in the number of the partition GB that you want to create. Now you're going to click on Enter. And now we're going to type in active, click on Enter. This is if you converted to MBR earlier. You're going to type in active and then click on Enter. And now we're going to type in format space fs equals ntfs space quick. Click on Enter again. Now once that's been done, we're now going to type in exit. Click on Enter again. And now we're going to type in exit again. Click on Enter again. And now you could just continue with your installation, and then the problem should be fixed.